What's good? It's your boy Vontae Guns back again. Let me know something. How y'all feeling about the PIX?
Let the band play.
Comes with the folding brace, cheek riser. Got the Velcro. I'm gonna throw an optic on top. No pop-up sights, backup sights, whatever you wanna call it. I might throw a light on here. But let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like the PIX kit better? Or y'all going with the 2020? Glock 21 Gen 4? Y'all going with the 2020 or the PIX? Which one? Let me know. Let me know y'all thoughts.